Okay, so as you can see, putting my hand close to here, I can make a wave effect on the ceiling.
In this contest, what we have done, we have coupled with the system here itself. So when I press this, I'm gonna basically interact with the stand itself, so light up and activate up the screens. So it's to make it more interactive in this sense.
At the moment I'm wearing a patch that you can see here, and with this patch I measure my heart rate and it's transmitted to this table, so the table is flashing at the rate of my blood pulse.